I'm John Aldred for DIYPhotography.net. I'm here on the Meike stand at the Photography Show 2026 with Richard to talk about their new lens range. So, Richard, I hope I pronounced the company name right. I've heard it pronounced 20 different ways over the last however many years. How is the company name pronounced?
Yeah, we have lots of customers from around the world. So lots of people like pronounce it like Meike or Mikey, but for me, I will pronounce it like Meike. Yeah, Meike.
Well, there you go. We have the final word. So now that that's out of the way, tell us about the new lenses. I see 3 white lenses here. We got a 25, a 35, and a 56, all at f1.7.
Yeah, so these lenses should be our new series, as we call like the Air series. Depends on the Air, so which means more lighter. So you can try the weight quite light, around like 200 grams. So that will be our new series for the APS-C. So we have like the 25 and the 35 and the 56 millimeters, but both aperture is 1.7.
They all look to be exactly the same size as well. So
yeah,
these could be really handy for like a drone, where you got to balance on the gimbal and you want them light.
Yeah, also for like the DJI products, they're all same size, the same weight, and also we will provide like the Sony E mount, the Nikon Z mount, the Fuji X mount. Especially we can provide like a Micro Four Third in the future.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's what I shoot. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing that.
Yeah.
So are these available now, or are these coming soon?
It will coming soon on May, I think.
Okay. Is there any word of how much they'll cost yet? Do you know?
Right now, I can't 100% the prices right now. I think it will be around like probably like 100 pounds. Like.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's only a prediction.
Yeah.
I can't 100%.
Yeah, I mean, it could be more. Yeah. Well, I mean, even if it's twice that, for like autofocus lenses, it looks like a great little set for the money. Yeah. Brilliant. So I've also noticed we've got a much bigger lens here. Why don't you tell us about that one?
Yeah, so the bigger lens is obviously for the full frame. So the full frame with 85mm 1.4 Mark II. So before we have give like the 85 1.4 Mark I, it's already released on the market right now. So we receive lots of customer feedback. So we try to updating the new technology inside it. So that's why we promote like Mark II. So Mark II is being reduced like 100 grams compared with the Mark I. And also we give lots of like new technology inside. Like for example, we got like the aperture lock. Also I have the clicks, better for like the videos or photography, both of them. And also we use the new like technology with the moto. Like before we using the STM, that was a classic one.
Yeah.
So right now we use the Hyper STM, which can make focus like faster and more silence. That's why we also our factory also want to do better. So right now we doing the research about the BCM moto right now. We're still working on it. I think it will release on this year, I think, yeah.
Brilliant. And what mounts is this one available for?
So this mount will be released like the Sony E mount, probably Nikon Z mount, and the Lumix, the Panasonic or Lumix L mount. Yeah, that's it.
Any news on Canon RF?
The Canon,
because Canon's tricky because they shut a lot of people down, didn't they?
Yeah, you know, there's a lot of customers coming to obviously if they have RF mounted, but like some special reason with the RF license things. So we still contact with the Canons right now.
But you want to?
Yeah, we want to join them, but you need to get a permission from the Canon.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Brilliant. And I've heard a little rumor about maybe a zoom lens at some point. Is there any? I know you can't tell me a lot, but is there anything you can tell me?
Yeah. So right now you can see it's prime lenses right now.
Yeah.
So, but we can't stop at the prime lenses. We still need to promote some like zoom lenses coming out. So in this year, I think at least there's one zoom lens will coming out in this year, but I can't 100% sure which one is it.
Right.
But we will provide the APS-C zoom lenses and also the full frame zoom lenses.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Well, fantastic. Well, I look forward to seeing that.
No problem.
Brilliant. Well, that's it for us from the Meike stand at the Photography Show 2026. We're going to keep walking around, see what else we can find. So we'll see you in the next video.